Welcome, guys. I found this mysterious thing with this 4-bit breadboard computer. When I power on, the reverse counting started, and I don't know why because I have not programmed anything into this computer. Let's find out what is happening with this computer. For that reason, we have to make it slow and see the step by step what's going inside. Most probably, when we power on this breadboard computer, RAM location, each RAM location has value 10. What happened actually, B register, ALU B register has value 15 constantly. I can see that. And the A register value is changing. And that addition is going on there, but it giving the minus value every time. And so that this is happening. And out instruction is executed after addition of both A and B register. Let's stop the clock first. Here you can see 12 plus 15 is 27, but the ALU value is 11 and the carry bit is 16, that giving us 27, but at the out we can only see the 11. This value will come out at the output after the next clock. See this, for value 13 there is a 12 into the ALU which is come after the next clock. Let's reset this computer and program it manually. We program for counting. We will get the 0 to 15 upward counting at the output. Let's program. Location 0 0, location 1 0, location 2 1, location 3 1, location 4 2. That is the output instruction. Here is some loose contact problem. Location 6 is 2. That is the location of load B instruction or add B instruction. Let's run this program. Can we say that this computer is thinking by its own?